How to log into Goldman Sachs account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Goldman Sachs login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, www.goldmansachs.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right, you're going to see the option of client login. Click on that option. With that, you're going to get different site options. Select the site that you want to log in for. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option, Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Login. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Goldman Sachs account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of Get Started and go through the process. That's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.